Hello guys, this is the third part of our VLookup lecture, and we'll start from our previous lecture, and the link of our previous lecture is also given below. So I write the data like roll number and name, subjects which include science, computer and maths, and then we write obtained marks and percentage, and the last one which we all wrote in our previous lecture, which is result. We select the all boxes and click on its centers, and then we, as you see our subjects, then we click on the boxes so that it appears more clearly to everyone. Then we write roll number 1001, 1002, then we select the sequence and drag it down. Yeah, then done. Then name of the students, which is Tom, then Alex, Harry, Christopher, James, and last one John. The subjects in which we use our rand between formula, and in which we give upper value which is lower value which is 60, and the upper value which is 100 to make it more practical, and then bracket close, enter. Then we drag it and then drag it to the right. As you see in our previous lecture, if we double click on any box, the values changes. So to make it constant, we, as we did in our previous, so we do the same, like copy all the boxes, copy, and select option paste values. So as you see, when we double click on any box, the values remain constant. Now we use sum formula for the obtained marks, like equals to sum, sum bracket open, and then select the subject marks and then bracket close and then enter. Now we repeat it again, like equals to sum bracket open, then subject marks bracket close and then enter. Now we just drag it down, and in percentage we use this manually, like equals to, then obtained marks divide by, we assumed 100%, 100 marks, so the total subject is 3, so our total marks becomes 300, then enter. To make it in a percentage form, we click cell and then click on percentage box, so as you see it becomes and it appears in a percentage, then drag it. In result, we use if formula like equals to if G2 gets greater than 70% marks, it means 0.7 we write for 70% marks, but we use 80% means, so we use write 0.80% marks, and then if got 80 then pass, else result will show fail, comma close bracket close, enter. As you see it appears pass, so we just repeat it again. If equals to G3 gets more than 80% marks, for percentage we did 0.80 because computer did not count percent, so just pass and fail, then bracket close and enter. So we just drag it down, so you see the values. Now just select the whole box and click on centers. Now select the whole subject bar and make it bold and make it a border. So click on thick border, so thick border appear. Now select the whole box and again click on thick box, so thick box appear. And now we create border and then copy the subject lines and then paste it. As you see, the whole subject title bar is here, and we just make it bars and then we put our VLookup formula. So equals to VLookup bracket open. We just select the box in which we put our roll numbers, so we just select the cell roll number and then comma, then we select whole our working area, then comma. The most important second is column index, so we want a name by putting the roll number, so the name is written on second column, so we just write 2. And then if we did not get our data, so it will show us 0 after writing column number 2 and then bracket close and enter. Now we just have to select and drag the box up till result, so you see not available. Now I write the roll number which will make visible all data, like I wrote 1001. As you see, the data of Tom and its marks. As you see, the percentage is not in the percentage form, so just we select box and click on percentage and then make it more presentable. We click center and make fill it with color. Then select the same subject bar and then fill the color. Yeah, this color is much good. Then again we test it by putting the roll number, which is 1005. As you see, the data of 1005, which is James 85, as you see, 85, 71, 94, 74, sorry, and 2. You find total marks and 17%, and his result is fail. So as you see, again, this is how our total lecture of VLookup completes. VLookup is very simple, we just have to understand it. I have done 3 parts, 3 VLookup parts, and the both lectures link is given below. If you like, so kindly share and subscribe. If any issue, comment. Thank you.